and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Christmas home tour. I am so excited to share this space with you. I shared my Christmas decorate with me video a couple weeks ago and you guys really loved it, so I thought I would go ahead and film a whole home tour for you guys of all of the spaces that I've decorated. I've added so many more pieces since my decorate with me video, so I'm really excited to show those to you. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Noelle. I make new videos like this every single week on home decor and showing you guys how to get the high-looking home that you want at a price point that you can afford. So if you're interested in that, definitely consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos in this new year. So let's go ahead and you guys grab a cup of coffee, hot cocoa, whatever, cozy up, and let's get into this Christmas home tour. Walking in, you're greeted by the sound of jingle bells. I love that this instantly sets the mood for Christmas in my home. I've kept our entry really simple with this hanging basket and some greenery, and then this really pretty French horn that I've also just added some greenery to and hung on the coat closet door. To the left of the entry is my office. I completely redid this space in the spring and I'm loving being able to decorate it for Christmas in here for the first time. I love adding unexpected touches of Christmas like this little wreath with bells here. And I just swapped out the stems in this vase for this beautiful faux juniper. The built-ins are where I was really able to have some fun styling. A lot of these pieces were thrifted, but I love how they tie into the rest of the decor, like these bells that I get so many questions about. They're sold out right now, but I'll have some similar ones linked in the description below. I wanted to keep mostly the same decor in here and just add some touches of Christmas throughout. This wall really needed a little Christmas, so I just popped this swag from the Target dollar spot onto the artwork. Moving back through the entry and into the living room. To the right, I changed up this console table a little since my decorate with me video. I have no idea where my boys put the deer that was here, so I replaced it with the bells and also added this mini wreath to the art. Next, I changed up the mantle a little and collected these stockings. I love the way they look together, especially with the little ribbon accent that I added to tie in with the rest of my decor. I shared over on my Instagram that I added in these real juniper stems to my garland and absolutely love the fullness and realness that it added to it. I also went through and added these dried orange slices to add a little more dimension and interest to the garland. And I found this mini French horn while I was thrifting and knew it would be really perfect here. One of my favorite ways to elevate a mini faux Christmas tree is to put it into a crock. I also love this little swag that I added to the mirror here. For our Christmas tree this year, I kept things very warm and added in some metallics as well. And my favorite touch is probably the ribbon. It adds so much texture to the tree and I just really love it. Moving into the hallway and playroom, I added these simple wreaths to each door throughout the hallway and I added a really nice touch of Christmas. And in the playroom, I kept things subtle with just a couple Christmas trees. And this super cute little nutcracker. Here's a better look at that wreath. I just added ribbon and bells to it. And then behind the door is the bookshelf that we have stocked with their Christmas books. We really like to incorporate books that focus on the real meaning of Christmas, as well as some of those more fun Santa type books too. And I'll have my boys' favorites linked in the description box. I also had these stockings that we aren't using anymore, so I hung them in here for a little more Christmas. So back through the living room and into our dining area, I hung a wreath and some bells on the back door to tie the two spaces together. And I kept things very simple with the centerpiece since I know my boys will definitely be wanting to get into it, but I really love the simplicity of it. I always add greenery wherever I can for the holidays, so I did that here, and also added this garland in front of the windows with an ornament garland and bell garland too. I love this bell candle so much. I think it's so fun and it smells so good. It pairs perfectly with the greenery here and the little forest scene over in the corner. Into the kitchen, I've again kept things very simple so that it can still function well, but I obviously love little Christmas trees. I put this one in another vintage crock that I thrifted. When I saw this set of mini deer, I knew they would be the perfect Christmas accent piece, and I love them placed in an unexpected spot like this. I've got another Christmas candle burning over here and this cute little house that one of my sons painted for me to add a little personal touch to the space. Alrighty guys, I hope that y'all enjoyed this Christmas home tour. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what your favorite space was in the comments below. I always really love to hear from you guys. I'm also going to try to have everything that I can linked down below so that you guys can shop and snag some pieces for last minute decorating this year or for next year. So if you are new here, definitely consider subscribing and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!